Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning how to turn cocoyam into cocoyam paste. So now let's go right into the video. We'll start by peeling off this hairy stuff on the cocoyam, this hairy part on the cocoyam. Peel it off little by little. Here I'm done, so we'll go on to wash it. Wash it maybe 2 to 3 times until it is neat enough to be cooked. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. It's really go a long way for me. Thank you so much. So now it goes into the pot, and now it's cooking. So I want to check it if it is soft. So how you do that is just to dip in your knife and see if it goes in smoothly. You can see from this video it's still a kind of hard, so I have to let it to cook a little bit. So now you can see how smoothly you went in. So I've sieved it and ready for pounding. So I'll now peel off the back out of the cocoyam. I'll peel out the back of the cocoyam into my mortar. But if you have a food processor, just peel it into your food processor and blend. That's it. So here I'm pounding it. You pound it very well till it's smooth and there is no more seed in it. So yeah, I was checking it and I think there was this more seed, so I had to pound it more, and here it is ready. And this is it. Thank you.